Welcome car enthusiasts. Today we step into the future of the automotive world and invite you to the magnificent universe of Zeekr 009. In this review video, we'll explore the direction of this awesome electrically powered car. We will go through the breakdown of design and explore the intricacies of the interior by watching this video, which will take you through the fascinating world of Zeekr 009. We also start by examining the power of electrical technology and the long-range capability of the Zeekr 009. If you want to experience this masterpiece in the future today and get to know this masterpiece that pushes it within the limits of the automobile, you can take a look at our video without wasting any more time. Are you ready? So let's search the doors of Zeekr 009 and get started on this exciting one. Exterior. The exterior design of Zeekr 009 is quite impressive and has a modern look. Here is some information about the exterior design of the Zeekr 009. Futuristic lines, sharp and flowing lines draw attention in the exterior design of Zeekr 009. These lines are designed to increase aerodynamic performance and offer a modern aesthetic. Unique front design. The front of the Zeekr 009 is characterized by a large and assertive grille. Slim LED headlights and dynamic details give the front of the car a distinctive and recognizable appearance. Smart lighting. LED technology plays a large role in Zeekr 009's lighting systems. Headlights, turn signals and taillights both offer an aesthetically striking appearance and provide excellent visibility when driving at night. Aerodynamic details. The Zeekr 009's exterior design has been carefully optimized to increase aerodynamic efficiency. In this way, lower air resistance and better performance can be achieved. The exterior design of the Zeekr 009 combines the aesthetic and technological elements of a modern electric vehicle to create a striking impression. Interior. Here is some information about the interior design of Zeekr 009. Digital instrument panel. Zeekr 009's interior usually has a large and high-resolution digital instrument cluster. This panel provides instant information to the driver such as speed, range, energy consumption. Center display. Usually a large touchscreen is the focal point of the center console. This screen is used for infotainment system, navigation, air conditioning and other settings. Minimalist design. The interior design of Zeekr 009 is usually designed with a minimalist approach. Clean lines, simple surfaces and few physical buttons provide a modern and spacious interior. Comfort and various settings. Features such as comfort seats, heated and cooled seats, multi-zone climate control can be used to provide comfort and user experience in the interior of the Zeekr 009. Batary and Charge. The battery and charging features of the Zeekr 009 are very important and impressive. Battery capacity. The Zeekr 009 is usually equipped with a large capacity lithium-ion battery. These batteries aim to provide long-range and powerful performance with high energy density. Fast charging capability. Zeekr 009 is generally produced in accordance with fast charging technology. In this way, it can get a high amount of energy in a short time at special charging stations and offers a practical option for faster journeys. Home charger. Zeekr 009 usually comes compatible with home chargers. It can also be charged from standard household electrical outlets, but may take longer compared to fast charging stations. The battery and charging features of Zeekr 009 aim to make electric vehicle use easier and more efficient, positively affecting daily life. Performance. The Zeekr 009's performance is quite impressive. It is often powered by high-performance electric motors and its acceleration capabilities are quite remarkable. Zeekr 009 can accelerate from 0 to high speeds thanks to the instant torque supply feature of electric motors. This makes acceleration much more dynamic and enjoyable. In addition, advanced battery technology and engine management ensure that the Zeekr 009 offers both impressive performance and long range. So, with high speed and strong acceleration, it may be possible to obtain a practical range for daily use. While adopting the speed advantage of electric vehicles, Zeekr 009 offers an environmentally friendly and sustainable driving experience. We've come to the end of this exciting Zeekr 009 review video. We hope we've given you a unique perspective on the Zeekr 009 and are one step closer to the electric cars of your future. If the size of our video helped us convey the Zeekr 009's strong, luxurious interior design and sustainability, don't forget to like and comment. If you subscribe to our channel, you won't miss our previous review videos either. Thank you for watching. Next video selected.